How to select English in Duolingo app. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Duolingo is a language learning app and it has different sections for different language speakers. As you can see right here, the first one is for the Arabic speakers, the second one is for the English speakers, and so on. It has a section for each language. However, you will notice something that in each section, the primary language will be missing. Say, for example, the first Arabic section. As you can see right here, the Arabic language is not here. There's only foreign languages. For the English speakers section, there are a lot of foreign languages that the English speaker can learn. However, there's not English language. Same thing with other languages. If we, for example, scroll down to the French speakers section, you will find other languages that French people can learn. However, French is not among them. And the reason for that is that Duolingo automatically assume that you can speak your native language. So for me personally, I'm an Arabic native speaker. I also speak French and I speak English. As you can see right here, Duolingo app automatically assume that I already know that how to speak Arabic. That's why it does not show it as a learning language. And for the English speaker, sorry, for the English speaker, it automatically assumes that he knows how to speak English. That's why it does not give it as a learning option. So, how can you choose English as an app language? Say, for example, if we scroll down right here, as you can see, for the English, you will not find it, so you will not be able to choose it from this section. You will need to scroll down to other section. Say, for example, for the French section, we want to choose to learn English. If we click on it and click continue, you will see that Duolingo tells you that this will change the app interface to French, meaning if you want to learn English, all of your app will be in French, which might be inconvenient. If you choose it from the Dutch section, which is the Germany, it will tell you that this will change the whole app interface to German. And unfortunately, this is the only thing that you can do as of right now. There's no solution, as Duolingo app does not give you a feature or an option to choose English if you are English speaker. And the only thing that you can do so if you want to learn English is to choose it from other app interface, as you can see from other sections, which will again change the app interface. It might not be convenient, but there's a solution that you can use, which you can say, for example, you choose it from here. The app will be in French, but you can use um, translator translation translator tool, for example, to translate the app interface, so you know where's the menu, uh, where's the sections of the app, etc., just for you to get used to it. And once you do that, you will be able to use the app by knowing that this, for example, menu, it means menu, or option, it means option, stuff like that. So you will be using the translation tool only for, I don't know, for a while, for a small period, to get used to the app. And maybe in the future, hopefully Duolingo will fix this problem, as there are some people. For me personally, if I wanted to learn English, I would love to use the English interface, as that's what I have on my mobile phone. Everything is on English, and it's not really convenient for me to learn English using an Arabic or French interface. So yeah, that's like the only thing that you can do as of right now. Just pick English from any section right here and use a translation tool to translate the app interface for a while, for a period, till you get used to the app, and you know by just looking at it what does this mean and what does this mean. It won't take you that long. So that was it for this video. That's how you can select English language on Duolingo app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.